So today we shall be looking at multiple works by the same author in APA 7. We shall be looking at how do we cite an author who has multiple works in different years. So we shall be looking at multiple works by the same author that has published in different years. For instance, the same author has published in different years, maybe 2010, 2014, 2020, 2024. How do we cite such an author in the same reference? So let us look at how we go about it. So for multiple works, we are saying if you are citing multiple works by the same author published in different years at the same point in your text, you should list the author's last name followed by the relevant years of publication. So we are saying, so we have an example here. The author's name is called Marion. This author has published in 2011, 2015, and 2017. So in such a case, you first of all list the years here, the way they are following one another. So Marion has published in year 2011, which is the first one, 2015, and then 2017. So when you come to references here, you can see that Marion, we have a reference of Marion in 2011, Marion in 2015, Marion in 2017. So that is how you cite the same author that has published in different years. So let us look at an example. So you can see the example, we have a paragraph here, then you cite. So we have Marion, and then you put in bracket Marion 20, Marion, that is the surname, then year 2011, 2015, and 2017, and then you close the bracket. So that is how you cite an author who has published in different years in the same citation.